Big thanks to ExpressVPN for sponsoring this video and keeping my internet locked down. Without a VPN, your browsing data can be tracked by your ISP, cellular provider, ad companies, and even hackers. With ExpressVPN, all that goes away. With a simple setup process and a one-click connection, you'll get faster speeds, VPN locations in 94 countries, no activity or connection logs, and it's available for most all desktop and mobile operating systems. It's less than $7 a month with a 30-day money-back guarantee, so take back your internet privacy today. Get 3 months free with a 1-year package. Go to expressvpn.com/Dom. That's expressvpn.com/Dom.
All right.
Wait, let me just double check the audio.
I'm just shooting a bunch of things and cutting it up later. It's the YouTube definition.
It is.
What's going on, everyone? This is Dom, and I'm here with Justine, and we're talking about our brand new Galaxy Note 9s, and you just got yours, like, literally.
Got it. It was so exciting.
Yeah.
So we planned on doing a video together, and I was like, well, I don't have a note yet, but it came in the mail. You were on the way here, and I
Yes.
said, guess what? It just arrived.
So we did an unboxing, which you can check out on her channel. Link is below for you if you want to do that. But today we are talking about our 5 favorite features with the Galaxy Note 9, especially coming from the perspective of an iPhone user.
Newsflash. I have an iPhone.
In case you didn't know.
Now, I do have an I in front of my name, but I do always have a second phone. I've had a second phone for a very long time, whether it's backup, when I travel, international, whatever it is. And I do really like Android. Like, I like being able to test it out and have that perspective. You know, Steve Jobs once said, why does anybody need a stylus? I don't remember what the exact quote is.
We're gonna use a stylus. No. Who wants a stylus? You have to get them and put them away and you lose them. Yuck.
It's kind of cool. And I think being able to use this as a remote is awesome. Have you ever noticed when you give a stranger your phone and have them take a picture, it ends up being the absolute worst thing ever?
No, it is literally as bad as it can possibly be.
Can I help you? What are you doing? I haven't even written a memo yet.
Yes.
I've done nothing except watch everybody else's
You
videos.
literally just set this up before we started shooting.
This is gonna be my first memo.
First memo status. Okay, here we go. First memo.
Oh, it has a
Even the pen is pink, and you hear the scratching?
Yeah. Oh, and it's purple. It's
Yes,
beautiful.
yeah,
Wow.
it matches the thing. Obviously, the S Pen is definitely a top feature of the Note 9, or any Note for that matter, but as she mentioned, there are some cool features with this one this year. You can use it as a selfie remote, which is pretty awesome in my opinion. I've actually used it a lot. Basically, you just go ahead and like hold the phone at where you want to point it, and then you press the button, and it takes a photo, just like that. Like it's pretty neat in that sense. And they do also have some other things, like I guess you can control like PowerPoint presentations with this.
Really?
Yeah, with the S Pen.
Well, I mean, that makes sense, but I don't remember the last time I've ever given a PowerPoint presentation.
The resurgence of the PowerPoint presentations.
Let's do it. Oh my gosh,
Yeah.
we should do it.
I'm just gonna start uploading my videos in PowerPoint form instead. Just like me with the slide going like this, holding the phone.
Well, to be fair, I mean, it's probably a better distribution method than the sub box.
The cool features here are pretty nice, and the fact that they like made an SDK for this, so like developers you could probably use this for games and stuff too.
That's where I was going.
Yeah.
So I got the Fortnite bundle because I was pretty excited about my V-Bucks.
The second thing I want to talk about is the design, right? So first off, the color here, pretty nice,
Yeah.
right? I mean, this is lavender purple, I believe, or I'm calling it Thanos purple because it's a nice looking Thanos-ish color. Now we do have the Galaxy S9 Plus, which was a lilac purple.
Yeah,
right?
which we realized
a little
that
different.
I didn't even know that it was a slightly different color. So
Yeah.
that makes sense if this was called lilac and this is lavender.
Yeah. So the design here is cool though. Obviously, like we've seen glass smartphones now, and they kind of terrify the heck out of me because it's just all glass now. Like you drop it and...
But you know what's crazy? The only iPhone that I have not broken is the iPhone 10. And I've broken every other phone several times. This one has taken the most falls and I've not broken it yet. Did somebody break into a car? Do we S Pen 911?
Can we just remote this off?
Help!
Let's talk about one thing that I think is a big selling point for a lot of people, and that's around the front, the display size. Like this is the giantest, most large display that is out there right now.
Pretty incredible. So to be fair, I actually, when I do travel, I always load up my Netflix on here and I download all the offline content and I watch it on here.
Instead of like an iPad.
Yeah.
Okay.
Because I do like to always have a separate phone just in case something happens to my other one. But it is cool because then I can use this as my offline content viewing, and if there is Wi-Fi on the plane, I could also be doing iMessage, which is the most difficult thing, is why I don't think I could ever really entirely switch over, is iMessage.
It's the iMessage, the blue bubbles.
It is, and it makes such a big difference.
It does, and people just don't understand. Anyway, moving on to the camera. Now this is arguably one of my favorite features for the Galaxy Note 9 or the Galaxy S9 or S9 Plus, because if you didn't know, they share the same camera. We have dual 12 megapixel shooters on the back. There's optical image stabilization on both of them. We have a variable aperture on the camera here, which flops between, I believe, f2.4 and f1.5.
It's pretty cool because just watching it like change.
Yeah, it's crazy.
It's so weird because it's not something that you're used to seeing on a phone.
I know.
And I mean, that does allow you to get better low light photos, which is really cool, especially at concerts and stuff like that.
Yeah.
It's awesome.
And if you want to check out some photos that were shot on the Galaxy Note 9 and compared to the iPhone 10, I will leave a link below for you because I do have a couple of galleries there. But anyway, be sure to let us know what your favorite features about the Galaxy Note 9 are in the comment section below, or if you think we're absolutely ridiculously wrong, let us know about that as well, because we like to hear those things.
And you know they will.
Yeah, oh, definitely they will. War is already raging.
Oh, I'm sure they are, especially because I'm here talking about an Android phone. They're like, let's iJustine, she's an Apple fan. I mean, I am, but I also have a PC.
Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Be sure to leave this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more videos like this in the future.
You gotta tell them to hit the bell.
Oh, and hit the bell, yes.
Don't forget, it's new.
The bell, I know, there are so many things.
Make sure you subscribe to this new PowerPoint.
Yes, subscribe to my PowerPoint channel. It's youtube.com/PowerPointDom. Go check it out.
I love it.
Catch you in the next video.
Bye.